welcome to my 3-minute review of the Sherman 200M. I decided to make this review video about this product because I haven't seen too many of them online before buying it, so I thought it should be a good idea. So it's pretty much a budget MIG welder. It also has a electrode attachment. You can use it. It's like MMA style, or how they call it. So also I'm using 0.8 millimeter wire for the MIG welder, so that's what we're gonna use for the test. Also for the gas, it's a argon bottle with CO2, 75% argon, 25% CO2, like the regular mix you use for the welding. And yeah, has the MIG gun. It's a pretty basic one, but should do the trick. I paid for this whole thing. I bought the bottle as well, but just the MIG welder is like 320 euro, so not too expensive, knowing that's a welding machine. So they usually go for a lot more, the more professional ones. So yeah, I have some testing plates ready with some measurements on them, so you just go straight to them. I haven't had too much experience with this yet, but I'm gonna be using on my E36 project because it has a lot of rusty cells and shit. So I'm gonna be using that in that car, so you can see it later. But I've just figured, since I'm don't have too much content, I'm just figuring might as well do some reviews of the things I got. Also, here's my first tests of the welding, but it's pretty garbage. But I don't have too much experience, just learning the ropes, so that's what you should expect on your first tries. Yeah. Alright, let's see some welding progress. Alright, let's fire this baby up. Oh yeah, he's alive. I used these parameters on a few days ago. I was testing it, so it should be pretty good for thin metal. So So as you saw from my progress, I don't have too much experience over welding, so yeah, but we got some stuff to stick, so it's not too bad. Should be alright. I think for the price this welder is pretty good. Doesn't cost like €1,000 or something, so it's a good starter welder, I think. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and yeah, that's all for this video.